Tired of bland tacos? Then come on down to Taco Explosion. We got tacos, burritos, chimichangas, and more. You'll feel like you're in Tijuana. Our refried burritos are made fresh every day. Same goes for our taco shells. Our nachos are out of this world. Piled high with beef, cheese, sour cream, chips, and of course, bacon. You know you love bacon, don't lie. We don't have Taco Tuesday, we have Taco Madness. Every taco is only $1.50 from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. every Tuesday. So stop by our local Taco Explosion today. Taco Explosion, good man.